in some ways he's also handicapped because the enforcement directorate, the Supreme Court had said that he can't attend the Chief Minister's office, he can't go to the Secretariat, he'll only, and in his own submissions before the ED, he said he'll only sign files which require the LG's approval. So will you be able to do real governance? That's the big question.
So let's see, let the detail all come.
No, this is the order has already come. That is the enforcement directorate earlier.
So what I'm saying, today, Haryana is facing an election. Jammu Kashmir facing an election. So there are elections all around. So we need to have now towards that our entire focus, that how to defeat BJP in the upcoming elections.
So, but on this issue about governance, that is the critical thing because you yourself have been in power. You're seeing that you required decisions to be taken. How will that play out? Because people of Delhi are suffering between the fight between the AAP and the Lieutenant Governor and the BJP. The people of Delhi haven't been really successful in getting their basic requirements.
Now, see, we have tried our best, and our governments and our ministers have performed their best. And whatever delay has been caused, whatever the way BJP tried to slow down the works in Delhi, let Arvind ji come, we'll sort it out.
So Mr. Arvind Kejriwal will be walking free, and as Mr. Somnath Bharati says, once he comes, it will be a big moral booster and they'll be able to sort things out. With camera person Rakesh Mahale, Sunil Prabhu, NDTV.